Welcome to Show Me Creeks. I'm Larry, and today we float from Riverview access to Bird's Nest access on the Meramec River. This is Labor Day weekend, so I wasn't expecting too much, but I did get on a couple of fish, and one just absolute tank of a smallmouth. This thing dragged me around and around and around. I don't know that I've ever had one fight this hard, to be honest. This is typically like the perfect spot, some dead water next to some flowing water. Let's put a cast in there and see if something's in there. A little fish. Man, I was expecting to get hammered there any moment. Like bring a tent and stay the night right there on the side of the river. Nice. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
There's a woodpecker. Probably up there.
Got one.
Ooh, that's a bass.
Yep.
How many bones do they have?
I don't know that one.
We can cook them.
Yeah, we could, but... And this would be the one that we would eat if I'd eat a bass. Oh, there he is, little dude. Let's toss him back before I run into this tree here. You know?
Yeah, doesn't that look like a beaver then?
Just looks like a tree to me. I would think the beaver dam would go all the way across. It ain't gonna do much if it's right there in the middle. Oh man. That's pretty looking though, how the sun goes off of it.
Yeah, it's all those sparkles.
Now you really need to pay attention though where you're going and kind of plot your course ahead of time.
Oh no.
Because you don't want to get down there in the mix and then have to decide what you're going to do.
Oh, we got some rock. Lifetime.
Ah. Yeah, it is big. God, oh. All right.
It's going around. It's dragging you.
I know it is.
Oh, that's a bass.
Oh,
That's a big bass.
that is. That's what I said, dude.
Oh,
Let's pull over.
that is massive.
Yeah, it is big. Let's see. Oh.
Get you?
No. 18 and a half, 18 and 3/4. Oh.
That's a giant.
Yeah.
That guy must have a lot of meat on him.
Yeah, he does. We're going to weigh it here in a second. But I'm going to give it a drink first.
Big catch of the day. Yeah, that thing has a lot of meat.
3 pound, 3 ounces.
3 pounds?
Yeah.
Is that your highest?
Nope, it's close though. Hey. Here's the big catch of the day. Weighs 3 pound, 3 ounce. We're gonna go ahead and let this thing go.
Let it go.
Yeah, I'm gonna let it go.
It just went under your boat.
I know. Here it is. It's still under my kayak.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, well, that right there made the trip. I mean, I could pull out right now and be completely fine with today. Man, that damn thing just drug me around. That was so awesome. That's what you want to happen, and that's why you want to come out here and fish these rivers like this, because these things got some muscle. It's okay. Keep your nose straight. All right, you're fine. You'll make it. You're good. How was that?
That was scary.
Yeah. This is a big rock shelf over here.
Look straight ahead for this. We have another one. Oh, fish just jumped at that thing. I'm gonna put my feet. Oh. Good all.
Yep.
Yeah, he flew down like right here.
Oh, there it is again. It just did it again.
Oh, wow.
Here it comes.
Yeah, here it comes. You think that's
Huh. That don't look like an eagle though.
probably a hawk?
It's huge, whatever it is. A little smaller there. And toss it back.
Here we go.
Feisty little dude. Okay, let's go ahead and toss him back. You gotta swim upstream now. Okay, I don't see how that hook didn't stay. I mean, I pulled the damn thing out of the water, you know. Well, that's a rough looking group.
What?
I said, you guys are a rough looking group. I don't want to mess with you guys. Alright, well, that's the end of this video. I appreciate you watching. I think that's a pretty good day there. I mean, once I got that big one, I didn't really care. I barely even fished, to be honest with you. I was really picky with my cast. But there's a lot of people out. Anyway, good luck if you get out. We'll see you on the next one. You need some of these choppos, head on over to showmecreeks.com and grab you some. See ya.